Hi friends, hello everyone, myself Vyshnavi. Today let's have a review about the concept of string and program on reverse of a string. So, what is mean by string? Let me tell you. String is a collection of letters or characters. Characters means single letters. Strings are always quoted in double quotations and characters are quoted in single quotations. Let's see some examples to understand the topic. So here are some examples for you according to the definition I have given. Shall we access a program now? Let's get started. So friends, before starting the program, let's have a look how the string will be reversed. So in this way, the string will be reversed by the end by swapping iostream.h and conio.h are common in all C++ programs, but here we are developing program on string, so we have to put a header file named with string.h. As usually, void main to start the program. Next, character temp means when we swap, the values will be erased. In order to remain the value and to swap or interchange the values, we have to create a function called temp. It is a temporary variable. Temporarily, the values will be remained. Character name, in bracket we have mentioned 10, means up to 10 letters we can keep any word. Here name of the variable is name and type of the variable is character type. Next, integer length equals to string length, in bracket we have mentioned name. String length means to work this string length function we have to put header file string.h. String length function will count the number of characters and it will find the middle point of the string. Before accessing program, we should check the number of letters because we should get a middle point. Integer n equals to length minus 1. Here integer n means number of characters in string, that is 5. Now we are using for loop to swap the characters in string. The for loop only runs for half the length of the string as swaps are happening between the first and last positions and slowly moving inwards till both I and n are the same. Temp equals to name I. Here I means the starting letter or first letter of a string. Name I equals to name n. And name n equals to temp, n equals to n minus 1. Let's see working logic for this snippet. In programming, null set is symbolized as \0. This null set will be at the last of string. Every string ends with null set. In string, empty spaces will also be counted. String starts from 0. By seeing the below example, you can understand it better. In working logic, we should have two pointers. They are I and n. Here, I moves from left to right and n swaps right to left. We have to swap or interchange the pointers up to middle point of a string until we get output. This swapping activity should be repeated until we found middle point of the given string. And at last, cout name end line and get ch to get output. Now let's check out our output. The string is reversed now. Thank you for watching.